Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, and Rakuten all help you earn rewards, but they reward completely different shopping habits. So choosing the right one matters more than using all three the same way. By the end of this, you'll know which app is best for your shopping style, where each one falls short, and which one deserves the top spot for most people. Let's start with third place, Rakuten. Rakuten focuses on cashback when you shop through participating online stores. You activate cashback before making a purchase, then the reward is added to your account after the purchase qualifies. If you mainly shop online for clothing, electronics, or home goods, Rakuten can fit naturally into your routine. The downside is that it isn't designed for earning rewards from everyday grocery receipts. Second place goes to Ibotta. Ibotta works well for shoppers who don't mind planning purchases around available offers. Before shopping, you browse offers, add the ones you want, then submit your receipt or link an eligible retailer account after your purchase. That extra planning can lead to more targeted rewards, but it also means forgetting to activate an offer can mean missing the reward. For people who enjoy maximizing grocery savings, that trade-off is often worth it. First place goes to Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards has one of the simplest earning processes. Instead of selecting offers before shopping, you generally scan eligible receipts after making purchases. That makes it easier for casual users who don't want to spend time preparing before every shopping trip. The trade-off is that reward values depend on the offers and purchases available through the platform, so not every receipt earns the same amount. Here's the practical takeaway. If you mostly shop online, Rakuten is the strongest choice. If you enjoy planning grocery trips around specific promotions, Ibotta gives you more control over qualifying purchases. If you want the fastest and simplest routine, Fetch Rewards is the easiest app to use consistently because scanning receipts usually takes very little effort. Many experienced reward app users don't choose only one. They use Rakuten for online purchases, Ibotta for planned grocery offers, and Fetch Rewards for receipt scanning whenever purchases qualify. That approach helps them earn rewards from different types of shopping, instead of relying on a single platform. To sum it up, Rakuten is best for online shopping, Ibotta is best for offer-focused grocery savings, and Fetch Rewards is the easiest option for simple receipt scanning. Next, compare your last month's shopping habits with how each app earns rewards before deciding which one deserves space on your phone. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe for more reward app rankings, and check out our other comparisons covering cashback apps and receipt reward platforms.